Zenvelle Align is marketed as a posture-correcting device that supposedly straightens your spine, relieves back pain, improves alignment, and retrains poor posture naturally. But the real question is, does it actually correct back posture, or is it mostly temporary support with overhyped claims? Now, to be fair, posture correctors are real products. Braces and alignment straps can physically encourage a more upright position while being worn, especially for people who sit at desks for long hours. What it does well can reduce slouching temporarily. Devices like Zenvelle Align may help pull the shoulders backward slightly, encouraging a straighter upper body posture during use. Acts as a posture reminder. A major benefit is awareness. Many users become more conscious of their posture simply because the brace reminds them when they start hunching forward, where it falls short. It does not permanently fix posture by itself. This is the biggest issue. Most posture experts and physical therapists agree that braces alone do not permanently retrain posture without strengthening exercises and habit changes. The marketing is often exaggerated. Ads frequently show dramatic spine correction or instant confidence transformations that are far more impressive than real-world results. Over-reliance may weaken muscles. Some professionals warn that wearing posture braces too often can reduce natural muscle engagement if users become dependent on external support. So, does Zenvelle Align actually correct back posture? Short answer, temporarily yes, permanently probably not. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.